Sweetheart, are you alright?
I want to go to the village and see Grandma and Grandpa.
Come on, sweetheart. I thought we've talked about this already. And besides, your school is about to resume. You have to go to school, sweetheart.
No. I want to go to the village and see Grandma and Grandpa.
Come here. Look at me, sweetheart. The thing is, it's not like I don't want you to go to the village, sweetheart. But I don't know how to tell you this for you to understand. You see, Mommy is not in good terms with your grandparents.
Mommy, you think that it's easy. I don't like it.
Look at me, baby. Look at me. I know it's not easy, okay? But please give me time, okay? I'll make it up to you. Okay, baby? Can you do that for Mommy?
Every day now, arguments and quarrels, so much drama, plenty wahala. It looked as if nothing good could ever come out of there until Omalicha shows. So young and so wise.
Udoka! Hi! Why is this useless, stupid? Hi! Olekwa. Why is this? Me? Ebube? No, now. My own husband can never be a useless and stupid man. Hi! Ebube Chukwu, this is your mouth. How can you use this your mouth to curse your own husband? Ajum. Chukwekwen, my own husband can never be a stupid, useless man. Where is he now? Nada. Ebube. Udoka! Where can he be now? Udoka! anyway. Look at even these things are not washed. Eh? I'm sure he would have gone to that his usual joint. Hey, Bon, where else can he be? One more here. Let him go and come back and meet me here.
Angelina.
Sir?
Replace. Replace!
I dey come.
Don't waste my time.
Stupid man of it. Oh, this is my mouth. I have warned you not to be opening yourself to talk anyhow, to call my sweet darling husband stupid or useless again. How am I going to do this? Anyway, maybe I should just stop talking. That will be best for me. I should just stop talking, whether I'm rubbish or nothing. Make I know they talk again. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Make I know they talk again. I'm tired. Talk. Can't get this bag. Who has this bag now? Oh, doesn't look like a dog. No. You don't look like a Udoka's bag. I would have brought their bag to keep in my house. See me see trouble. Okay, wait, make it come back. I'm not even fun talk again. Yeah, somebody if he go still come keep for my house like that. Let him come back. Wait, oh. I hope this is what I'm thinking of. Huh? It has better not be you. Could it be that Udoka used my money to go and buy bag and new?
workmanship, and a toolmanship. Oh, and a bottle of beer. I say two-manship and a four-manship. Oh, and a bottle of beer. Oh, and a bottle of beer. Who is that? Hey, Bube.
So this is your life.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? That's what I will ask. Just see your life. Now here they come waste your life every day. They drink, they kill yourself. Leaving only me for house. Everybody. You will not help me in any of the house chores.
Don't worry.
Even with this bad leg where you know I get now.
Go back to the house, I'll come and meet you. I'll come and meet you at home. You can go.
Hi.
Angelina!
Sir?
Replace.
Another one.
And then if you dare, come! Make I take this and scatter your head. Use this one, bind them together.
Sorry.
Calm down, you never like that.
Never is like waiting. So it was my money you stole, my 50,000 naira, that you went to use to buy all these archival Oyibo rejected coats. Even the Oyibo don't wear them. Don't die since.
Are you aware that you embarrass me?
You see my body now?
You embarrass me, you call me thief for public.
Embarrassed. I never even embarrassed. Now they talk about harassment.
Amujuna, I take a easy now. He's my customer now.
If
I'm not good for people to hear this kind of thing.
What's be your business? What it concern you? For husband and wife matter, what it concern you?
He's my customer.
Shut up! Customer and wife, which one pass?
No mind now.
My customer.
You don't see him out like banana way motor match.
See who you come sit down with. Every morning, my husband. You never tell me what you do with my husband. Now medicine, I take all them. Now juju, I take all my husband.
Nothing. Where did this whole person?
Me Angelina.
It's just that I only she the grease her credit. Who is the this one?
You don't owe me money, you. You don't owe me money. Give me money.
No,
You have to pay me today. Oh.
No, can't this solo.
Pay my money, you.
He go pay you the money. No, can't this solo. You have to pay.
Idiot.
See. No wait.
Where they go?
And they owe you money.
Where they go now?
Oh,
Where you go?
That body waiting the church. It be like
Man's
say.
who talk?
It be like say.
Man's who talk? Give me money, you.
It be like
My money, oh.
It be like say. It be like say. It be like you.
Come back tomorrow.
See.
You come back tomorrow. You will come back tomorrow. I'm here.
Darling. Sweetie.
I be like mouth.
No mind now. You see fine man. You want to take a side.
Fine man.
Now my husband, go look for your own.
They go. Because they go. Leave my office.
You know see office. See office.
My office.
Even with
You
my
get
bad
one?
leg, I get husband. You get.
I don't go to office.
Where will
The
you go?
office.
Sorry. Don't use sickness now as excuse to be saying place up and down. God, how many days they don't use this place where they park put for here? I mean, we pass like this for this house. You get some ghosts where they call eat, call they keep dirty place, wait for person for this house. Ha! Now wow. Just imagine. Look at somebody's kitchen. Now God is say person say food where they cook for here. Say we see they eat and see they survive. Things that are no longer useful, throw them away. No, they go pack the food here. Just imagine what are we doing with all of this? Oh. What money be this? Wait. Could it be? My wife. Not be the same money with this woman because of her disgrace, maybe this.
Sweetheart, come and eat. Your food is ready.
No, I don't want to eat. I don't eat the food until you carry me and go to the village to go and see grandma and grandpa.
Sweetheart, listen to me. I promised you I was going to take you to the village. But first, you have to eat.
No, I don't want to eat until you carry me and go to the village to go and see grandma and grandpa.
Sweetheart, please, I will. Okay? Look at mommy. I will. But I need you to have something so that you can have strength. Okay? Please.
You say you carry me and go to the village.
And mommy will fulfill that promise. But right now, mommy needs you to eat first. Okay?
So when are we going?
This place don't even look like where anybody don't cook anything today. Huh? Hold it. Wait. You mean this woman still leave this place for here? Come. Ebube! Ebube! Come here.
Why they shout my name like that?
Who you leave this place for to come wash?
What you mean that? Who are for living for?
What do you mean by that?
No, not be you go wash am. Not be you go wash am.
Oga na man I be. I'm a man. To wash plate or do all this yeye work wey they give me for this house. It's not a man's job. Oh.
So, wetin be man job? Your mouth not fit open again. So, you not fit talk again, Abi. Tell me now, wetin be man job? Eh? Since that time when they sack you for that immigration work wey they do, how many times you don't bring food enter this house?
No. Man, hear that one again. Who they sack? Now that one I no go take from anybody. I no want hear that. Don't say that. My friend, I retired. They not sack me. I retired.
What be the difference? Say they sack you and they retire you. What be the difference? Eh? Since last year, whether you now retire or now sack, how many times you don't bring food put for this house? Eh? That will not be man job.
I agreed. I know that recently things get the way they be, but you don't worry. No worry. My status will change very soon, and you will see it.
You don't tell what I hear now. Since last year, now when they sack you for that job, whether not sack you, now that time I begin here say, don't worry, my things will change. I don't hear them. Last year don't pass, another year don't start. I say they hear them.
All this way they talk now, all that one are to divert attention from the subject. You understand? I am a retired officer, so don't think you are dealing with another person. I am intelligent enough to understand that what you are trying to do is to divert attention from the subject. Ebube, what we are discussing about is this place where you keep here so. And I want you to know that henceforth, I no go try am again. I no go wash plate. You dey hear me? I no go wash plate for this house. I no go sweep. I no go touch your dirty clothes. Not anymore.
Who you want make you do am? If you no go fit do am, go bring small pikin wey go dey do am.
From where?
Anywhere now. What you concern me?
No, where I wan go bring small pikin from? May I manufacture pikin by myself? Where I never waka for this full country to go bring pikin for you to stay with you. They fit stay. People tell me, say, no, once you can get somebody pikin from Kaduna, they are very hardworking. They know they mind. I went to Kaduna. Night bus. Nothing where I not used to get to Kaduna. Go bring pikin come for you for here. Not, at the end of the day, what happened? Your bad attitude will chase her away. No, they said, no, once you can get somebody from Bayelsa, they are very loyal. I bring. Same thing. I went to your village. They said, no, if now your village, at least people wait know you wait, now go speak the same language. I brought them here. Bad attitude, you chase them away. They say, may I go get pikin. Don't even think of it. You need bucket?
You want to start blaming me now for all the tolerance where I get for your brothers and your sisters and your relatives when come here and come to stay with me, eh? All the things when they do to me and they enjoy them. You want to blame me now?
Forget all this what we are doing. Listen, in service we call it emotional blackmail. You can't get me with that. You don't hear me? You cannot get me with that. You hear me? Just know that henceforth my status is changing. And I will not be able to do any of this rubbish work where you carry me do for this house as if I'm a houseboy. No, nonsense.
Come on, look. You mean say you not go do all this is what you say not go do again.
You not hear me well? No, in the event that you not hear me well, listen carefully. I say I not go ever wash plate for this house again. I not go sweep again. Your clothes that I not go touch them. Go find as you go to do them. Because from today, my status is changing. And very soon you will see result.
How?
Oh, I should tell you. You where I know. No, I should tell you my secret so that you go use mouth, wash them, rubbish them. It will not happen. I not go tell you. With your very eyes, very soon you will start seeing results. Rubbish.
Say status don't change. What's it mean? Look. Hey. I'll do myself now.
With wisdom, she will make a difference. Ooh, you say you want to become governor.
Sweetheart, what's going on? Why is your box on the bed?
You promised me that you carry me and go to the village to dance with grandma and grandpa. So I've packed my things to go there.
You've packed your things to go there.
Yes.
Look, I know I promised you, but I will take you there at the right time.
Now is the right time.
So young and so wise. With wisdom, she will make a difference. Ooh, you say you want to become governor. Yeah. Now how you want to
You don't even call me say food already. Where my own? Oh, okay. You dish our two own together. What be that?
Nope, I don't want to see your hand here.
I don't understand. I don't go chop.
What do you want up? Look, since when you decide say you're not going to help me for anything, will be house chores for this house. Myself, I don't decide my own. Say You know we eat my food again.
God, which kind of way be this? Wait. Not be the chicken where you probably say you go use cook for me be this?
Naim, I go see do am again for afternoon and for evening, for night. So you go there.
Ebube not dare me. Ebube not dare me. Because if you make me vex, I will just walk out now, go meet your papa people. Make they refund me the dowry where I pay for your head. Because I don't go understand why my wife not go to give.
Now, when you reach there, now my papa grave, now you go wake up, collect your money. You go still come back here, come wash those places where you say no go wash. Otherwise, no food for lazy man.
No problem. Chop on.
Anything we if time make we do. If you search the whole of this house, enter kitchen, enter any pot, go for on top of the roof. You know go see where I keep the remaining chicken. You know go see them.
Chop on now, chop on.
I'm not the chairman. What did I do?
Chop on. No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. Go fine. Even if na Gary, I go drink.
I know this house, so you go drink.
Never see anything.
Udoka! Give my food, Udoka! Give my food, Udoka! Udoka! Udoka, give me my food, Udoka! Udoka! What I need to be so good, Udoka? Wicked man. You are a very wicked man. Only. Inojie.
Nice woman.
Inojie. See your belly.
Leave it.
So you go, they just they walk about. You don't go joint, come back. I don't know what thing go chop for there. The money we go take chop for joint. Why you not give me? I beg I take cook.
The people with me and they did there. Their wife give them food. My own.
Their wife can't give them money, make them go joint again. Give me money, make I cook food for you now. Bring small pikin, make it help me. They do. You not go agree. Come down, you not go agree.
When I was in service.
Only me I go talk.
When I was in service. Money afternoon, I dey service you money. You complain? Just this small time will be like say one shit, but don't worry.
Not be your job.
No worry. Money. Very soon. Very soon you will see me in a double fashion.
Udoka! Udoka! What's up with this now? What are you doing there? Since when did you start urinating that place?
What kind of question is that? When did you become sanitary inspector? Where go they tell me where to urinate and where not to urinate?
Udoka, what is wrong with you? My pot of chicken soup.
Oh. And that one. If not that one, you are suffering from what Oyibo people call medicine after death. I don't chop am. Now the chicken lab now a target.
I'm not talking about the one you have already eaten. I'm talking about the pot of soup that I kept. Why did you? Who taught you to go and urinate there?
Now my head catch you. Eh? So your wickedness already level of say you go carry pot of soup, come up from inside house, come hide them from bush. Just because you don't want your husband to eat. Ah, Almighty God. Almighty God, when they fight for who not get fighter. Thank you.
Thank you, waiting.
Thank you.
You must give me money to cook another one today. Oh.
No.
You must give me money to cook another one today. Oh.
No. Now another drum of cow meat. Now you go cook.
Come. What did happen here? Now don't begin fight this early morning. Why can't people have peace in this house? Why?
What be your business? So you don't have anything to do in your house today. You are so idle. And now the only time when me and my husband they get small quarrel,
yes.
Now you dey appear.
Okoye go show.
When we they do love one tinty, you know they see us. Eh?
What will be your problem for this
What
village?
be your problem?
That's the question.
I not be neighbor again.
What if I hear neighbor for that your useless mouth again?
You go slap her from here, me and go
That
slap her.
wow! Who be this one? Neighbor. Who be this one? You and who be neighbor? Your own neighbor that to go to spy other people.
See me see wahala. That one we they do, darling.
You won't see Okoye.
Sweetie.
You not go see Okoye.
You go see.
See, let me tell you.
What be your problem?
Envy will kill your wife.
Jealousy.
Go and mark it, now you go kill you.
Jealousy, jeloma, opigwe, alanga so pia. Nonsense.
Well, na me cause the one.
Now you cause am.
Make I dey go my
Get
house.
out.
Before uncle. Opigwe, alanga so pia.
See him head.
You don't go stay for your house.
We go there like this, do love, they happy. We don't go see Okoye.
Darling.
Just say, hey, Bube, what is it? Okoye don't appear.
Land.
This boy may not be saying they got people.
Busy
near our house.
body. See her. And this clothes where you wear, 1 week, now they wear.
You know they calculate them, oh.
Eh?
Not me, they go in house every day. What if it 1 week?
It they pass. They say,
Okay, that thing got me body. Then they come out them.
you know the bath.
But by the way, the soup matter. May we leave Okoye first. You hear me? Let's leave Okoye out of this.
Give me money, oh.
You carry soup, go hide for bush.
Trouble there, oh.
Because of me.
Trouble there, oh. Money, oh. I must cook another chicken soup this morning.
That one where you go hide them. The new one where you want to cook.
Make I cook am first.
Ah.
Udoka.
Almighty God, that's how they work.
Udoka! Which kind of husband is this? Okoye self not dey wrong. Which kind of husband is this? You know, if he say my leg not dey better, don't worry. You not gonna do like this forever. Oh. You run, I run, follow you. Nonsense and
Omalicha.
Yes, mommy.
Omalicha.
Mommy.
You know you're a very persuasive child. Well, I have agreed to take you to the village. But when we get to the village, I want you to be very calm. I want you to be an obedient child. And I don't want you to stress your grandparents for any reason. Did you hear me? Good. Most importantly, Omalicha, you remember that dream you told me you had about your grandpa? Good. I want you to help him accomplish that. Okay? Make sure you help your grandfather to achieve that dream.
Okay, mommy.
Okoye! Papa, oh! Okoye! Okay. Wait, are you pretending you did not hear me call your name? You heard me shouting Okoye, you just kept quiet and is there a problem?
Udoka, how you expect me to answer you after waiting you and your wife do me nana? What?
That one you see carry for mind? Okay, no verse. If not that one, the verse, you no verse. No verse. But you self, you no get sense. Are you new in this community? You suppose know say once me and my wife they quarrel like this, nobody, we know they like make anybody come in between. Don't come and say maybe you want to settle us. Leave us to quarrel our quarrel. When we are done, we settle. We move on.
Hi.
If not that one, no verse. I beg, you get something very important where I can't discuss with you.
What is he doing with all this old school Papa Dash me coat? Huh? Can you imagine? Look at this one. Look at even the leg. Huh? See me see trouble. What is he doing with them? And why would he be hiding them in the parlor instead of the room? Could it be that he has gotten another corporate job and he's hiding it from me? No problem. I will definitely find out from him. He will use his mouth to tell me what is using all this papa. See this one. See Gada.
I know understand. Waiting funny. No, all this thing, after everything where I tell you so, the only answer we get to give me now to the laugh. Abi, you not believe me?
I no believe you. Udoka, make you not allow another ear hear this thing where you talk now.
Hey. Oh. Wait, Okoye. As my neighbor, in fact, you even don't pass neighbor. I can call you my friend. As my friend, I come meet you, present my agenda, ambition. I present them before you. And the only thing where you get to add, to they laugh me. I come meet you as a friend. Table matter. Okay, even if you don't like it, I say, okay, let's do it this other way. Let's do it this other way. This is the better way to do it. Advise me instead, you begin laugh me.
It's a funny me, my brother.
You. All right. No problem.
Hey.
I hear you.
Hey.
Let me find your trouble.
Udoka. Funny man. Not the way person to go here for this world.
I don't understand. Waiting my cloth. Why you scatter my cloth for everywhere?
Begin to ask me questions because you know I will ask you. Eh? What are you doing with all this old Papa Dash me coat? Where I don't know where you go buy them from. Whether I then dash you or you pick them for dustbin, I don't know. What do you want they can do? Look at even this one. See the leg self. What do you want? You not even carry and go inside to come and hide them for inside pound.
Question 1. You don't ask me that question before, and I tell you, say I buy them.
How you go take money buy this kind
Now
of
your money. No, did I beg you? Say, come help me wear some. Question 2. That place where I keep them, na parlor, na my house.
Are you supposed to keep it in the parlor?
Is parlor not part of my house? No, can't I keep things anywhere I like?
You supposed to keep cloth for it can't be this kind of cloth for inside parlor. What thing happen to you?
You know, say I know you. All this one you are doing now, you are trying to find word from my mouth, but can I shock you? You not go see him. You don't hear him? That way you dey find from my mouth, you not go see him. I know you.
Doka, this is what they do not good though. You know say husband and wife not supposed to they keep secret for themselves.
Husband and insurance and person that keep insurance. But you go carry pot of soup, go hide for Igbo forest. Because you don't want your husband to eat for inside. You hide money so hide some under pepper, hide them under salt. You don't know where you keep some again. Husband and wife not supposed to you never see anything. Okay. They do whining, igunuku. Who see them, they use 18 hours stand up now, they go to say no way. When you open my just tararara, tararara, tararara. The way this matter they go so. The way Bube they go so, she wants to know everything. She wants to find out my mission, but I will not tell her. I won't tell her. How won't they run this project now? Without support from anybody. Okoye, we supposed to be my friend. So okay, make I even carry Okoye for mine. Say, even if I know my wife not agree vote for me, at least I go get one vote from Okoye. That one I don't join other people, they mock me.
Okoye! Mazi Okoye! Mazi Okoye o! Mazi Okoye! You sure you're inside that house? Mazi Ndewo.
Ebube, what do you want? Why are you here?
Mazi, are we quarreling? Take it easy now.
What do you want? Tell me.
Now you're talking. Mazi Biko, I have come for you to help me. I know you and my husband are very close friends. And he can always confide in you. There's a secret he's keeping away from me. I want to know if you can help me. Let me know what it is. Pico.
Look. Udoka, your husband, is keeping a secret from you. And it is me. You want me to reveal the secret to you? Ha! In fact, I don't know the kind of marriage you and your husband are having in this village. Hey, if not that, my wife at least.
Mazibiko, let her at least rest in perfect peace. Don't connect her to what you are saying here now. All I'm asking is, have you eaten today? I'm asking because I prepared rice and special soup with chicken.
Well, that sounds like good news.
See?
Do you know I was just
coming with good news.
In fact, this is the kind of news I like. I was on my way to go and look for what to eat before you brought this good news.
Look no more. Just follow me to my house and everything will be solved.
Well, let's go now.
Lock your door. Let's go.
But eat your food, sweet up.
You sabi cook.
Why you not go to
That's what I like to eat in this place. Your food always remember me about my late wife. My late wife food.
No problem, don't worry. I even package one way go carry go house. That one day.
Hey, you go package food for me. You're a very good woman.
I know.
God will bless you. But my only problem to be say sometimes
I leave that sometimes, Biko. Okoye. Leave that sometimes. You hear? You just begin tell me waiting that secret wey my husband tell you. You know say if you do every day food go come, they come your house from my house. I go make sure say you dey eat from my house every day. Just tell me that secret.
Women, eh? Yeah? I think they say your husband is planning. You know your husband now.
Okoye, don't try her. So now this kind of person you be. Okoye, I called you and told you something in confidence. I tell you, say, okay, I beg, don't let my wife hear. You come here, they carry rice and chicken, stuff your brain. You won't begin speak. Okoye, if that thing touch your mouth. No, Okoye, if as you raise that thing, if you let her near your mouth. And I told you you see a lick hand.
Udo cannot verse. You know as your wife they cook now. You get as food go sweet. You go just take over your brain. You go say what you know what reveal.
Okay. It's sweet you, Abi?
No be small.
It's sweet you? I know. You enjoy and well. My brother enjoy.
Thank you.
Still where I peace put.
You
No, chop.
Hey, baby, don't tell me he's saying the truth. Hey, peace for this food.
You don't ever hear a person will drink urine die.
No.
You don't ever hear them.
Which kind of joke be this?
Even China people talk say urine. Na medicine.
Oh.
You can't be my husband own. We be Obonga medicine.
Wait. Don't tell me that urine there for this something.
As you dey test them, when the taste they go corner, you're not supposed to ask yourself, say, okay, where did they bend this taste? Go corner.
My urine?
Hey! Don't waste your time, my brother.
Not here.
Come, hey! Let me tell you, you see my urine? If you package my urine well, put it for bottle am. Find one better label put for the body. Now blood tonic. Mumbu, you, wickedness within your heart. It will be wickedness within your heart. Swear, say it to say this stew. Say I not mistakenly peace put. Say you go give Okoye this kind. See the size of chicken where you give Okoye.
You go chop am. I be make I throw away my food.
You not go throw away.
But how I go throw am? You go give me money where I go take buy another one.
So now Okoye, now it be refuse dump.
Okoye.
No Okoye. You go back up. If I see you for heaven, I go to say the wrong place now I enter.
My papa dead there. My papa don't go let me go hell. My papa don't go let me go hell. My papa don't go let me go hell.
I'm just saying she will not turn that to where we make sure say the peace miss where.
Which kind of woman go throw away this kind of food? Not be money I take cook am.
Every day now arguments and quarrels, so much drama, plenty wahala. It looked as if nothing good could ever come out of there until Omalicha showed. So young and so wise, with wisdom, she will make a difference. Ooh, you say you want to become governor. Yeah. Now how you want to do a move? Oh, well. They say you are poor and rich. Yeah. and making fun of you. Oh, then they wonder how poor and wretched local man like you fit achieve this kind of malaria dream. You won't become governor, hey. But Omalicha believes in you. She will help you. Omalicha, wiser than her age. You say you want to become governor. Now how you want to do more? They say you're poor and rich. Now how you want run a more? Make you no worry. Omalicha go do one for you. She's wiser than her age. Omalicha go run am for you. Make your dreams come true.
Good day, Papa. It's me, Ujunwa, and this is my lovely daughter, your grandchild.
My granddaughter.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah.
Let's go.
To where? Where are you going to?
Papa.
Come, my dear.
Papa.
How big and beautiful you have become. Eh? Ama.
Why is my mommy outside?
Oh, your mommy. Me and your mommy have what Oyibo people call unfinished business.
What is the unfinished business?
Don't worry yourself about that. It's adult stuff. We'll sort it out. We'll be fine.
I want my mommy.
I know. See, for now, you go inside.
So young and so wise.
Mommy!
With wisdom,
Grandpa!
she will make a difference. Ooh, you say you want to become governor. Yeah. Now how you want to do a more? Oh, well. They say you are poor and rich. Yeah. Now how you want to run a more? Oh, well. Make you don't worry, oh. Omalicha go do one for you. She's wiser than her age. Omalicha go run am sure. Make your dreams come true.
I need my mommy.
It's okay.
Give me my mommy.
Don't worry. Your mommy will soon be... Come. Your mommy will soon be back. Don't cry. Don't you like the village? Don't you like our house? No, don't worry. You will like it. You will soon like it. So...
Udoka. Which pikin got thief so? Who pikin you got thief, Udoka?
Sometimes you go dey talk like person wey dey comot im brain take do asaro. Porridge. Which pikin you go thief? Na biro.
I'm not for you. Where you go see pikin, person pikin carry come here? Eh?
Na Ujunwa drop am o. Ujunwa carry pikin come drop am. The next minute she disappear. Na Ujunwa I dey find since I no see Uju.
Who be Uju?
How many Uju you know?
Which Uju now?
Uju your daughter. You dey know which Uju now?
She be my daughter pikin. Now Uju born this girl.
You no resemble am?
You not even resemble Uju.
Okay.
Wait oh. Now that belle wey she get when she come out, I be na another one be this one.
So as I see this pikin now, how I want to know the belle wey produce am? You go wait when you see Uju, you ask am. Now that former belle, na him be this. Or as you come out, you get they help you top am another one.
Hey, I talk am Udoka. I know say all these secrets where they keep. Say go end up for bad thing. You don't go thief person picking now. So you don't join kidnapping. You see your life.
I hope you know they listen to them. Don't listen, my dear. Don't listen to them. Now your grandmama, but sometimes they do like person way.
If you
No
not
get
listen to
sense.
me, make it give you your mama.
You hear?
Not be you there here when she bring the picking. Not be you there here when she bring her. Right. Talk through because kidnappers, then they go jail. Nah, life, then they kill themselves. Then they no cost here for my house.
So this was see the work. I just say go don reach like 4 years where I never hear this phone ring. Hello?
Papa, please let me speak to my daughter and mama, please.
Uju? Come, this girl. Where the person wey give you belle? Huh? Now so we go there?
Papa, please, this is not the reason why I came to the village. Papa, remember you're the one that chased me out of the house.
One man catch you, pin you for corner, give you belle. Till today we don't know whether na short man o, na tall man o, black o, yellow, we don't know. Meanwhile, the pikin from that belle don't they nearly reach to marry again. Yet we don't know who give our pikin belle.
So I had no other option than to leave. Besides, my daughter, she's been having nightmares. She badly wanted to see you people. So I had to bring her down to the village.
Okay, the one where they talking and not get sense. No, what I'm saying is useless. Telling you something serious, you don't they make mouth ta like old typewriter.
Papa, please, I'm begging you. Let me speak to them, please.
Abi? As your houseboy. No, come and flog me now. Make a run, go give him. If I don't give them the phone, what will happen?
Papa, please. Please. I need to speak to my daughter and mama, please.
Which kind of pikin I go born like this? Eh? Uju, I suffer. Send you go convent. You said the only way you take reward me na to carry belle. I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. If to say you know the kind of disgrace where you carry put from me and your mama head, if you don't talk this rubbish, I don't blame you.
Papa, please, I don't know what else you want me to do, but I'm sorry, please. Let me speak to mama and my daughter, please.
No problem. Hold on. Yes. Hey. Omali. You know, I told you that your mom didn't run away. She's on the phone. She wants to talk to you.
Hello, Mommy. Okay, Mommy, bye-bye.
What did she say? You don't want to tell me? Okay. Well. Anyway, that's a good one. That's a good one. It shows that she's raising you well. shows that you can keep secret, and that's a good character. Eh? Oma! Oma Lily! Don't worry, you will enjoy your grandpa. That's a promise. In fact, you will enjoy this village very well. Hmm? Omali! Omali! Hey. Oh! You see your life? Look, can you see your life outside? The very first day. Ebube, day one where your grandchild go set her eyes on you, wait till she come meet na tiger. Very first day you begin show your bad character.
What be your problem? Eh? You know if you answer your papa name, leave me alone. What be your problem? I leave you for there. Oh. Say make a kukuma, Jeje come here, come prepare food for my grandchild. Now you come here, they shout again. What did I do you? You not fit mind your business.
Wait till I can't beg you. I beg. Wait till I can't beg you, be say, for the period where this pikin go there around, make we pretend. Make we pretend to be good people. Make we not show our bad character. I beg.
That's not what you talk. Now, for the first time, you agree say you be bad. You get bad character.
I be bad person, but I not bad reach you. I not bad reach you.
Okay, make we begin argue that one.
I know say make we argue. I know you. If you hold that one for hand now, next tomorrow we are still here. See the dragon. I beg, I can't beg you. Until Uju go come, carry this pikin, go back to where she bring them from. I beg, make we pretend.
Udoka, now so your mind bad reach. Eh? So, as me Ebubechuku, take my eye, see my grandchild, where would you come drop your commot? I go become fool again. Allow her, make she come carry and commot. Go spoil her, but she don't spoil herself so. Now you want?
She spoil herself.
Eh?
Who born am?
Now who born her spoil her?
No, who born Uju? Who be her mama?
Now me spoil her.
You born and finish, you can't leave am. They watch am, they go. Make it dey spoil, they go. The pikin where you born, spoil for your hand. Now the grandchild, now you fit trade.
What are the teacher? She don't agree.
She not agree. Now this one, now you go agree.
You not there that time.
Now this one go agree.
You not there.
You dey agree me talk?
What you talk to her now?
You agree me talk?
If you talk to you, you go talk to.
You want?
Why you not help?
Where you dey struggle to be good mama so that I will be bad father? You go ginger me to punish Uju. When I punish her finish, you call and go corner. My dear, no mind your papa. You see, sorry, not this.
Udoka. Eh?
I don't blame you.
But since you not get.
I don't blame you. A prophet is not recognized in his community.
It is not to carry your shoulder.
Now they worry you.
They wear tie for morning, afternoon, night. They tell people say, I mean, immigration. What do they do for immigration?
Follow me, go city. But you see how people they respect me.
What do they do for immigration?
Me.
Which department you did?
Me.
Yes.
Oh God. Oh God. If not be said, they change government. By now, you know the position where I go there.
Are you from your guy?
No, if not be said they change government, you know they were almost going to promote me.
Almost.
When they change government?
Nearly cannot kill a bed. Almost there for your pocket. Eh?
You.
And you.
One day, where I'll show you the kind of power where I make me see. Yes, say you won't go get a passport. I will deny you passport. And that time you know the kind of person I be.
You know where they do the passport?
Me.
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 Even not the office where they do passport.
Well, yeah. not be our office they handle capturing.
You self now security now they do there. People they here they carry you immigration in the bragado, carry your shoulder, your belly big. When they take go join go.
One question where I never feel answer. If they call me and say, okay, come, how you take marry this kind of person? No answer. Where I read it.
No way me I don't know. Be say I go marry person. He say he they work for immigration. I think say he go school. I don't know say some people wait there for immigration. No go school.
Go write them down. No, I will show you the kind of person where I be. Go write them. One day, I will write petition to federal government so you not be Nigerian. Yes, deny you citizenship. And deport you to Sao Tome or if now Ouagadougou.
Where the government?
Every day arguments and quarrels.
Udoka.
So much
Ibragado man.
drama.
Let the world know who you are.
It looked as
Let-
if nothing good could ever come out of there until Omalicha shows. So young and so wise.
Why do you not come in to help you and cook?
She will
You want to come and help Grandma cook?
Yes, I want to learn how to cook.
You want to learn how to cook?
Yes, Grandma.
Okay. I'll teach you how to cook. Eh?
Okay, Grandma.
But today you are my special guest in the kitchen.
Okay.
But first of all, go and help me wash this. Can you wash them?
Yes, Grandma.
Okay. Good girl. Omalicha,
Yes, Grandma.
don't allow those small fights in quarrel. Me and your grandpa, I didn't make you think we are fighting. We are not fighting. We are not fighting. No. It is called a lovers fight. Eh? We are not fighting. We are very, very good friends, and that is what is making our marriage very strong. When you get married, you want to make your marriage strong, isn't it? Eh?
Yes.
I will teach you. I will teach you here. Honey, sweetheart, my honey pie.
Let's go, buddy. Come, what they want to start one trouble. Darling. I was wondering, what's my darling? I just want to hear you there.
I'm the one calling you. You see, I was telling Omalicha here that every time she sees us quarreling, that she shouldn't think we are fighting.
Quarreling? God forbid, we can't quarrel.
How can
You don't tell her that that's our way of playing.
I told her.
And we play loud.
That's exactly what I told her.
Oh my God. We play. See. Me and your grandma, we are Romeo and this person.
Juliet.
Cinderella. Oh, my dear, how are you?
Fine.
Okay.
What do you do for a living?
Oh. What a question. Actually, for now, no, nothing like that. Nothing. Since I retired, I've not been really doing anything like that. But it's not a problem. Something big. I have a big plan that is coming.
What is the plan?
You just heard me now when I said it's a secret. Anyway, I believe you can keep a secret, eh? I'll tell you. Come. I am planning to contest to be chairman. Don't tell anybody. You. Yeah, come.
Hey! Hey! Huh?
What?
Is that what you call a secret? Eh? Shama.
Something that I just whispered to a little girl's ear. How did you hear it over there?
I have ears now. How would I hear? Eh? I heard you. So, hey, no wonder. That's why you have been going to all the Okrika shop to buy all those 1918 coat to become the chairman. Chairman, sir! That's what you call a secret. Where are you going? I salute your excellency, sir, Mr. Chairman. This your grandpa is very funny.
But why is he keeping it a secret?
Don't mind your grandpa. I think maybe he's just joking. Sit down and let us talk, okay? Omalicha, my own Omalicha. Don't mind your grandpa. He was only playing with you. Eh? Udoka.
Hey.
Your Excellency, CDC Chairman, sir.
Who is this one? Huh? So you have gone to join your grandma to be mocking me? I'm asking you. As small as you are, you have gone to join others to be laughing at me.
No, Grandpa.
No, Grandpa. Yeah. So why are you not calling me CDC chairman? Huh? Wait. Do you think I can actually become the chairman?
As a man thinketh in his heart.
As a man thinketh in his heart. As a man thinketh in his heart. Ah. I like that. I like that. As a man thinketh in his heart. I like that. But my dear, you won't understand.
Money is your problem, right?
Money is my biggest problem, my dear. Yes. Money is my problem. All the people where I know say they go fit help me for this project. Nobody where I never go meet. Immediately they will leave me. Once I table the matter, they begin
So
laughing.
young and so wise, with wisdom, she will
He has been helping people. Now it's time for him to get help.
You want become governor. Yeah. Now how you want do more? Oh, well. They say you are poor and rich. Yeah. Now how you want run more? Oh, well. Make you no worry. Oh, Omalicha go do one for you. She's wiser than her age. Omalicha go run and she will help make your dreams come true. Omalicha will do it for you.
Omalicha. Omalicha.
Everyone is laughing.
Why are you sitting down here, sir?
I want Grandpa to win.
Oh, to win. Hey, to win, Chairman. Omalicha, don't allow your grandpa's madness to affect you.
Please. No. I won't take that. Leave that child alone. Let her help me. If you help me, don't tell me that you will not support me. Allow people who will... Huh? Oh.
Don't mind your grandpa. Your Excellency, sir. I salute your Excellency.
I know.
Honorable Excellency, Chairman.
Did you see the way I pretended as if we are quarreling?
You see, we are not quarreling.
At all.
Yeah? That is how we do our things, and we love it. Your Excellency, sir. I salute you.
You say you want become governor. Now how you want to amor? They say you are poor and rich. Now how you
Your Excellency.
make you know Omalicha go do one for you. She's wiser than her age. Omalicha go run and she will help make your dreams come true. Omalicha will do it for you. Man think it so he Omalicha. Everyone is laughing and making fun of you. Oh, them they wonder how poor and wretched local man like you fit achieve this kind malaria dream. You won't become governor, hey. But Omalicha believes in you. She will help you. Omalicha, wiser
Let's
than
not her forget all these
age.
people where they vote for sis. They carry us to what they like. You know, say this position, CDC chairman, he get money where all these BB companies where they are our community, they give them to take develop community. But we know they see development, we know they see money. Then go chop them. That is why I say make una vote for change. Because if una vote for me, I go make sure say development go dey. How for this kind time and age we go see the go river? Waka how many kilometers go stream go dey fetch water? Wetin do borehole? We suppose get borehole. All those things na wetin the CDC suppose to dey provide. So that is why I dey beg una make una vote for me. Una just dey do like say no be person dey talk to una. All this one wey I dey talk now, e no get meaning. E get meaning, una no, nobody dey answer me, nobody dey even dey show say e support me. Road. That is why you need to vote for me. Even though that road wey you dey na government go do am, but na our job to dey tell government say see wetin we need, see wetin we need. We go dey pressurize government. That is what I'm saying. God bless you people. Once una give me this vote, once una give me una vote, this market, if we build am, where everybody get their own store, na bad thing. No. We go build community market, put lights, toilet. If you waka small now, you see shit. You waka small, you see shit. No good. That's what it's supposed to be. No. Our market suppose get toilet where water go dey rush. You shit finish, iwa. Everything go. Eh? So that is why I go vote for me. Yes. See all these you keep here now, flag will come. No! When you get your own shop, show glass, everything. In fact, make una use this election test me. Test me whether na the same lie wey una dey hear before since na him I carry come again. Eh? Una well done. Thank you. Una thank you.
Ooh, you say you want become governor. Yeah. Now how you want to amor?
My prince. I hope you have news from the Kenolisa town unit.
No, my prince, I still hope to call them later, but please just look at this video.
But I don't have time
My
for
prince,
it.
wait, just look at this. It's looking like we have a new opponent.
Opponent?
Yes.
Is this not Udoka? The retired wretched officer, custom or something?
Yes, it's him.
He wants to contest against my candidate that has a backing as powerful as me.
It's very funny, my prince, but just, I don't know. It's funny. It's very funny.
Who's the little girl?
They say it's his grandchild.
His grandchild. Udoka wants to contest against my candidate. Jude, come.
Make a difference. Ooh, you say you want to become governor.
Hey, Mr. Koi. I heard that Mr. Udoka is going to be the chairman of this community. When I went to the market. Hey!
You know, he told me that same thing the last time I saw him. I thought he was joking. Now I know that is a very foolish joke.
He's joking, right?
So I thought.
That's the one, because how can an illiterate man like him become the chairman of this community? It's not possible. Don't think so. Wow.
You know something, eh?
Hey.
Mr. Udoka is a joker. Yeah. He thinks becoming a CDC chairman is a circus.
Like seriously. A retired immigration officer, chairman of this community, this great community. That poor man, it's not possible. Don't think so. I think he's coming. He's coming. Our chairman, the chairman.
The CDC chairman.
Everything is there.
No, I greet you, sir. Yeah, I greet you. Honorable.
Thank you.
Hi. Hey. Our chairman.
Angelina.
Yes, sir?
Give everyone 1 round each.
Chairman.
Chairman. I am coming.
Hey.
Wait. Credit alert. Yeah? Ha! Robinson, you do this for me.
You say you want to become governor.
See somebody where I don't beg money since. Now where I don't even come on mind. Piam. Hey. What did happen? What did happen? What's your car for?
Everyone is laughing and making fun of you.
What's your car for your credit?
Oh,
wait to
wonder how poor and wretched
wait to
man like you fit achieve this kind malaria dream. You won't become governor, hey. But Omalicha believes in you. She will help you.
Send your account details.
Omalicha, wiser than her age. You say you won't become governor. Now you want to
Omalicha. I don't know what you did or how you did it. I don't know what is happening, but it is working. It is working. It is working.
Omalicha go do it for you.
God, is this how you walk?
Omalicha go run am for you.
Hey. Do you know that? See, this man, there is nothing I have not begged him. In fact, he was owing me money before my retirement. I said, okay, I'm not begging you to dash me money. Pay me what you are owing. Now, he just credited me. Not just the amount that he's owing me, he even added almost 100% interest. Ah! Jay! God, is this how you walk?
We are ready.
You can say that again. Amen. We are ready. Woo! Oh, my brother, you can say that again. Yes, yes. But I must appreciate you. Thank you very. No, you shocked me. Oh, you shocked me. I was not expecting that much. 1 million naira for this economy. What would they so? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. No. Now surprise to me, self. All the people wey reject me before I don't know what happened. All of them just turn around. Everybody is beginning to support. They send in money. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Yes. Okafor, yes, he told me. He said, "Are you convince him?" Thank you. Yes, I receive his alert too. Thank you.
Honey?
Hey.
Honey?
Omalicha is not here. Why did they call me honey?
Sweetheart. Must it be only one Omalicha is around to be calling you darling and sweetheart? Try to be romantic for once now.
I beg, leave me. I'm not romantic.
Okay, no problem. I'll be romantic for both of us.
Okay.
Smile now.
What is it? Leave me now. What happened?
No, just a husband and wife discussion. You know, say, make I tell you, say, as things dey now, it go better. Make we buy like 6 bags of rice, 6 bags of beans, many tubers of yam, and a lot of all these Hollandese cloths. You know, so that all these hunger where they wire us before will just vanish from this compound, from this family. They don't go come back again.
Highway robber. Money where people they donate give me better wrong my campaign. Now you say make I they give you, make you go to squander. No, if you first go buy gun, go buy pistol where you take bill up me, so I go submit the money give you.
No, you know go take all of them, just the dash people like that.
Who tell you say na dash and they dash am? And they use and do a campaign.
I understand, but not be all of them now. The one where the men will go manage am for house. How much be yam? How much be rice?
People wey donate the money to me, they donate and make it for the men. You know what be campaign?
I know say you get sense. You get sense well. You go use them well. Honey!
Don't go marry thief.
Maybe.
Hey.
If you like, call me anything. I don't mind. Baby! Me, I don't tell you, say, I'm going to do the.
See you. Like play. Udoka wa make am. We go to play the play. I hear say you don't win the primaries. Now so if you just become the CDC chairman.
Pa! We will give am. Not only. Well, you don't ever hear say people will not get money for this village. This community all day. They win election.
See, it shocked me say illiterate like Udoka win primaries. Now so we go to take and they play before you know you become CDC chairman.
But not true. But you know say everyone will be teasing that man will get money.
Oh, we get body like
hey, now we get. We think that he go win this thing. But how come say Udoka
win primaries?
Come on, Udoka, we have fuku nothing. Win this thing. How?
It shocked me.
Oh,
I bet make with a drink.
Nah, I beg. Make them do one of but for us again. What the guy is celebrating in case? Your son.
It go happen.
As far as I'm concerned, it is a wasted one. You know that clan likes money. They like money a lot, so I just simply went ahead and paid their leaders to make him their candidate. Yes. Of course. I had to. I couldn't have taken the chance to allow Chief Chukwudi become their candidate. He would have simply made the competition a 50-50 thing, which I don't want. You know I learned from the best. People like you, my dear friend. Oh yes, that's the plan. And with your help, I know everything is going to work out well. All right, my friend. Have a nice day. I'll hear from you again, right? All right, my friend.
That's true. That's true. Thank you very much, my brother. Yes. No. I have to thank you. It's not easy. You know? It's not easy. You know? To have the support of such a big personality as you are. It's not easy. I appreciate you. But I promise you I will not disappoint. Yes. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Hey, thank you. That was the youth chairman, community youth chairman. He called to pledge his support. How fast things are moving. Today alone, how many endorsements have we received?
20.
20 in just one day. The speed with which this thing is moving. I'm even already seeing myself as the chairman. Oh my dear. Thank you very much. In fact, I don't know if anything else had happened. If your mother had gone ahead to do what she wanted to do when she became pregnant, just imagine if she had done it, where would you have been now? Where would I have been now? Hey! When people get belle, sometimes when they leave the belle. I don't understand how he started gaining so much momentum in such a short time. Look, if I tell you I'm not worried, I'll be lying to you. Suddenly he's getting support from rich people, from very powerful people. The rich, the influential, they're all supporting him. They're calling him, giving him assurance that money and everything. Something must be done. Something has to be done. Yes. Please, do whatever you have to do and get back to me immediately, please. I'll be waiting for your call. Okay. All right. I obviously underestimated this man.
My prince. So now what are you going to do? Is there anything you want me to do?
It's true. It's true. Ha! Hey, my prince. Greetings. My prince. To what do I owe this August visit? Eh? You should have informed me now. At least sent some of the palace aides to inform us that you are coming so that we can prepare. Hey, please, come inside.
Udoka, this is not a friendly visit.
Uh-oh.
Udoka Imejogom, you have offended me.
Me? How can? Who am I? No, who am I to offend the prince? No, impossible. Please.
Okay, I like that. Since that's the case, I want you to withdraw from the chairmanship race.
Why?
Because you're contesting against my candidate, Udoka.
My prince, I'm afraid that is not possible. I mean, I've gone too far in this race. That's not possible.
How much?
How much is
Name
what?
your price, Udoka.
Nayam? No, is the ticket a tuber of cassava? Who told you I'm selling it? Huh?
50 million.
Oh God.
Udoka, 50 million.
my prince, it's okay that you are the one saying this. Prince, to say you send another person come, that person don't go back home with his teeth complete for his mouth. Pluck some teeth come up for his mouth.
Udoka.
You know what they tell me?
Udoka, if you don't step down from this chairmanship race, I'll make sure everything and everybody you hold dear will suffer. Have I made myself clear? Did you understand me?
My prince. My prince. You came to see us. Now, good luck today. Come inside. Now, let me at least prepare, even if na pepper soup for you.
Which person meet?
That meat where you buy yesterday still remain.
Don't prepare waiting for who?
For the prince.
You not gonna ask me what he gonna talk? See, I don't know how they see me in this village.
What happened? I hope there's no problem.
Where are you going to? I'm talking to you. You are still going.
What's it happen now? What's it bring her?
Not be that one you go to ask me.
Okay, what's it bring her? Now talk now. You dey do.
No. I want you to look at me. Yes, and tell me how you see me.
My darling husband. Now I married.
Abi? So I wonder how some of these persons they see me. The kind of thing when they tell me sometimes I just wonder.
Then they craze.
Why these people don't see? How they tell they see me?
I don't get regret.
No, with the kind of experience where I get, the kind of places where I don't go to.
For immigration. Yes.
If not because they change government, the letter where they want to promote me, transfer me to headquarters, was almost ready.
Abi?
Now if person go look me finish, say make him give me 50 million naira, make I withdraw from the election.
50 million?
No, can you imagine?
Wait, Ebube, 50 million.
Can you imagine?
Come on your glass. Wipe your face. 50 million.
Come on, waiting. I've got glass. I take the see.
What's gonna happen? Why you not take her? Hey, Prince! Come back, Prince, come!
Who be this?
Hey, this man don't go foul. Hey, baby, come here.
If you go for this part B of the waste, where remember we manage. If you go break that one too, now you know.
What did I do this man? 50 million.
Grandpa, I hope you're not thinking of changing your mind.
My dear, this one choked me. It choked me. This is the first time anybody from the palace or even the prince himself will be asking me for any favor. No, how am I going to be able to say no to the prince? Don't worry. You are too young to understand. You are too young to understand. Huh? If I go ahead with this election and eventually I lose the election to the prince's candidate, my own don't finish with that. My own don't finish for this community. Waiting the prince, waiting they go carry my eyes see for this village and I go be around. If I say no, I'm not stepping down, let's go to the election. And the candidate with the prince they support can win. Don't be surprised, we'll be here one day. They will come and say this land now belongs to the palace. Make we carry our house come out. And the other way, you won't understand. Just when I thought everything was going well,
I greet you too, Madam Ebube. How are you?
I'm fine. You're a very simple-minded man. You still called me Madam.
The people of Umbata train their children very well. I believe you too.
That is true. You are right, my prince.
So, to what do I owe this visit? As I heard, your husband is still keen on contesting against my candidate.
No. That is no longer the problem.
Really?
My husband Udoka has withdrawn from the race. All he needs is for you to transfer the 50 million naira you promised into my account. Yes.
I believe he asked you to come and tell me that, right?
No, he didn't really ask me to. But you know, my husband and I are like 5 and 6. And we take decisions for each other on different occasions without having any serious family meeting.
Yes, I'm aware. As a matter of fact, the people of Umbata are aware of the unique relationship between you and your husband.
Okay, I will need to send the account number to you so you can transfer the money into my account. Yes.
Well, that won't be a problem. But first, your husband will have to come and sign an undertaking. Once he does that, I'll transfer the money to you immediately. So you tell him that for me, eh?
Okay.
All right.
Television for this house, eh? Please make the person they can keep busy.
There's no good television. Your mates, they buy television for their husband.
Grandpa, let's listen to the radio.
Omalicha, please, I'm begging you. I don't have a young heart like yours. Anyhow the election go, I go see here the result last. Instead of listening to the radio now, go to give myself hypertension. I beg.
Omalicha, keep the radio.
Udoka, our newly elected CDC chairman, you don't win! You don't win, okay?
Wait. You know, all these your prank, I know they like him. Tell me, they don't announce the result.
I'm just coming from the collection center now as I'm speaking with you. You are the winner, you don't win.
Okoye.
Honorable Udoka.
Okoye, I win. You are who be the win?
All of us win now.
You are who?
As a winner, don't win.
Ebube, so victory they sweet you.
Why not?
Ebube to be chairman wife they sweet you.
It does with me. I don't become child lady.
I don't become chairman, brother. Hey!
You don't have our friend.
Come.
You don't win.
Thank you.
Go. Hey.
Thank God. Oh.
Hey.
We don't win.
Win.
I no go fit thank all of you now. This one I do for me. God will bless everybody.
Do well.
God will bless you now. Thank you for your support. Thank you. You see this election where I win. Now una win now. Make una dey see me as una eyes so that anything wey good for the community, I go there, do am for all our benefits.
You know not say I still don't become the chairman now. Me I be child lady. Not true.
Prince again.
You won't fight. You won't fight.
Election don't finish. Don't announce winner.
It's not the problem. Make this man not spoil the thing where we enjoy.
No. They have announced the winner. There's nothing you can do about it.
Yes.
It's smiling.
Kedono.
It's smiling.
Praise.
Great.
Welcome.
Congratulations.
Sorry, like say I disobey you, but you say see as the election can't go.
Udoka.
As God want them.
As God wants them.
Udoka. Congratulations. Come.
Really?
Come.
Really? I think so you can't offer me another money. Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my prince.
Take that one now.
Thank you, my prince.
Offer another one.
Anyone when you bring now we take.
Congratulations. Nah, Kedono.
Prince, you don't bring anything for us.
Leave her.
Very soon. Congratulations, my chairman.
Thank you.
Hey, now well done. You see, for this life, make nobody ever use I commonize anybody say because na small pikin.
I say you no get money.
Yeah. You see this election where I win. If I tell you now the contribution of this my granddaughter,
Prayer warrior.
this person where they here so, the way they ginger me, they tell me say, Daddy you can do it, Grandpa you can do it, Grandpa you can do it. Today I am chairman.
All thanks to God and meet where be your wife. Ujungwa. Na ghost.
Leave her.
Na ghost.
Leave her. Uju, come.
Make she come.
May come. See, today will be celebration, so nothing is spoiler for us. God know why I say today will they celebrate. Now you decide to come back. Ebube, leave her. Uju, you don't do. Oh, yeah. Apologize to your mom. Leave her. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
Uju. Okay.
It's okay. One thing where you go promise us, Uju, because you go think say maybe your parents don't like you. No. Wait till your mama they tell you be say Uju focus. The training where she give you, she want to see the result. Finish. Is it too much to ask?
For where? No, Papa, I'm sorry.
No be you are sorry, Uju. Uju, I don't want to see another belle. Until you bring a man come this house, he pay your dowry. Una begin answer husband and wife. I now want hear say one other person when they waka pass give you another belle.
No, I didn't waka pass.
Not be waka pass.
No waka pass.
Till today we know the papa. Sorry, my dear. Not be you with the talk. Huh?
Omalicha, not be you.
Not be you. The one where the mistake will already happen. Leave him like that. We manage this one like that. You don't hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Hey, once again, my people, now well done. Yeah?
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah!
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 Chapiki.
Jam brother.
You say you want become governor. Yeah. Now how you want do more? Oh, well. They say you are poor and rich. Yeah. Now how you want run more? Oh, well. Make you no worry, oh. Omalicha go do am for you. She's wiser than her age. Omalicha go run am for you. She will help make your dreams come true. Omalicha will do it for you. As a man think it so he Omalicha. Everyone is laughing and making fun of you. Oh, them they wonder